Hello everybody, welcome back. Today as well we have got another video. In this video I'll show you what you need to do before you start calling on your phone. So before that, please do make sure to like our video, subscribe our channel, and yes, without any further delay, let's get started. So if you have a problem of getting spam calls, unwanted calls, especially the often referred trend as 114 VPH, so here are some things that you need to turn it off. First thing, open up your settings app, scroll down, go to the app section, then search phone, and then scroll. Then you will find the unknown caller section. Go ahead, turn it off. So when you get a missed call and a voicemail from unknown number, that will be moved to the unknown callers list automatically. And next thing what you need to do is you need to also turn the silence unknown callers. So when you get calls from unknown number, they will automatically be silenced for that matter. Once you have turned those settings on, that should be safe for you. That make sure you do that, and that's it. So hope this video helped. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in our next video.